If you are thinking of opening a Google Play Console account, then this video might help you. In this video, I will clear some confusion that I had before opening the account, and you maybe you have also some confusion. So I will just clear those. Few days ago, I got verified from Google Play Console, and I'm just sharing you some confusion over there I had, so that your confusions are also answered, or you got the clarification of your confusion as well. So first of all, there is two accounts. Okay, it's kind of backend and front end. We know about backend and front end. In this case, you can see here a account, a Google account. For this account, the Google Play Console account will be created. So this account will be the backend account. That means Google will contact you, or any verification or anything will assign to this email. Okay, and first of all, there is asking of if you want to open the account as an organization or for yourself. I open my account personal account. So if I go to over there, get started, and then I'm just continue. And so in this screen, they will show you what will be need to create a developer account for yourself. So I'm just there is like an email address for developer profile, and a contact phone number and email address for Google. So you can see there is two things. These the things I want to tell you, like an email address for your developer profile. That means this developer profile is one account, and a contact phone number and email address for Google is the another account. Okay, so this is the front end. What will see all those peoples in Google Play Store, and this email address and phone number will all is just see the Google, not any user can know about it in Google Play Store. Okay, and of course there is a payment of $25 registration fee. So I will there is a confusion as well, so I will clear it as well. Okay, I'm just continue. And of course it shows you some information like all you will use the following information: legal name, legal address, and website. Okay, so and then I'm just go to, then this is the developer name, so you don't confuse yourself. Like, it's gonna be developer name, it is not necessary to be is the email account you use, the same name you have to use, not like that. You can also read it like, this is what users will see on Google Play to represent your developer profile and apps. It can be different to your name and can be changed later. Maybe you have got it, so don't confuse about it. Like, I'm just like test, then I will go to next. Oops, sorry. So the developer name has been also has been registered. Okay, that means you have to put a unique name. Okay, so you have to put unique name. So test blah blah blah, it may work, yeah. And then you have to select or create a payment profile. I'm not creating right now, I have already done it. So I'm just telling you something like, to create the payment profiles, you have to enter address, and that address will be same as like as your like your document, official document. It can be bank statement, which will be very convenient in this case. So I will suggest you to submit bank statement as document to verify your address. So in this case, payment profile, in your payment profile, the address you will use, that will be matched, that have to be matched with your documents, a bank, that means bank statement address, right? Okay. And then you will need to create public developer profile. So in this case you have to put, maybe I'm just remembering, maybe you have to put email address, email contact, and I don't know what about it, maybe. So I'm just telling you, like, developer profile is a totally different profile. Okay, this can be different from your main account, like this one. Okay, so developer name can be anything and developer contact email can be changed, not like that. Like, I'm just that account will be just under the account, I'll just open the account, that's it. But developer profile, in the developer profile you can use different email. So that's the confusion I had before opening the account, you may have also. So I'm just clearing you. And then I have to put about you. I don't remember what I have to put into this section. And the apps, so there is no apps, sorry, there is something like there are bunch of lists. So you have to, if you are thinking to publish those categories of apps, then you have to, like, select those. And if you are thinking like, I am not selecting right now, but it's totally fine if you will publish those kind categories of apps in later, you can do it. There is also an option to none of them, so you can leave it like none of them for now, it's totally fine. And then how Google contacts you, so you will have to put a email address. Through the email Google will contact you, that's it. That's the all things. And I used a bank statement, and that is not signatured yet, but there is a statement in the bank statement that this bank statement is valid without signature. Okay, so I think that's why it is not possible. In some cases I saw before, like, there is need to signature from the authority, bank authority, for approval. Without this, the account is not approved, something like that. In some cases I saw that before. So in my case it is totally fine. It was not signatured yet, but there is a text, clearly text, that this document is valid without signature, because it is a bank statement. Okay, I'm just create the bank statement from my banking apps, that's it, for 3 months statement. Okay, and then another thing, I will clear you that payment system. So there is a confusion, like, if I can use virtual payment card, virtual card, crypto based card. So yeah, you can do it. I also use the virtual payment card, and it is it totally fine, it accept it very well, smoothly. So I think there is no problem to use crypto based virtual card. You can use it. Yeah, then after the submission you have to wait, and yeah, that's it. After maybe 2 days I got my verification, and of course something is cooking very well, and let's see, hope for the best. Maybe I will publish in the the new app about maybe 2 3 days, or it can be even more. So yeah, that's it for today. See you next video.